We can use FileZilla to perform many different tasks on our server. For example, to delete a file, right-click on the file and select the Delete option. You can also rename, copy, and create new files from the same menu. The bottom three tabs provide us with valuable information regarding our uploads. If any transfers have failed, we can see a list of them in the Failed Transfers tab. Similarly, we can see the successful transfers in the Successful Transfers tab. The Queued tab contains any files that are currently in queue for uploading or downloading. To delete a site from the Site Manager, go to the File menu and select Site Manager. Now click on the entry that you want to modify or delete and use the buttons below to perform your desired action. You can rename, delete, duplicate, and so on. Once you've finished working with FileZilla, so I'll just exit this menu, disconnect from the server by clicking this button here. After you've disconnected, close the program.